giveaway. We haven't done a giveaway in forever. China, and I just drooled on myself. Like, do you guys see that? I seriously just drooled on myself. Like, what just happened? I'm like drooling over this palette already. Like, hey guys, Alexandra here, also known as the Not So Evil Stepmother, and I am super excited today because my packages are finally being delivered. Yes, as some of you guys may know, we did have a bunch of tornadoes that came through here the other day in Dayton, Ohio. So with that, now me and my family, of course, were not affected. I did put posts up in my community post, so I do appreciate everybody that did reach out and make sure that I was okay and that my family was okay. So we were fine. We were unaffected, but a lot of the shipping facilities in Beaver Creek and Dayton were. So like the stuff that we're waiting on for our 6K giveaway, that has been affected by all of this. But I did get our Colourpop cosmetics in today, so we are going to go ahead and do that giveaway in this video, along with a first impressions review and try on. So let's get on into it. So if my eyes look super funky to you guys, there's a reason why. For one, obviously I don't have all my makeup on because we are doing a try on and first impressions. But for two, I actually have the Bella Pierre makeup base on this eye. And then on this eye, I have the Tarte concealer along with the Cover FX setting powder to set it. So we have the new way that I've been doing my eyeshadow base, and then the old way to figure out which way works better with the Cover FX, or not Cover FX, with the Colourpop Cosmetics palette. So do we need a sticky base or do we need a dry soft base? We're about to find out. Okay, so as I said, we are going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So just to let you guys know, I will get into that here towards the end. However, part of the giveaway and entering the giveaway is watching this video all the way through. So please don't skip all the way to the end because you might miss something important. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get on into this box. I am super excited about it. All right, so let's go ahead and pull out our palette here. So this is what the packaging looks like. Of course, it says Blue Moon. It's got all the names of all the colors on the back. I just love Colourpop eyeshadows. And then, ta-da! That is what she looks like right there. And is this thing like, is this scratched up? Does this have like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a bunch of like scratches all over this thing. I don't like that. I mean, like these are like scratches, like they're like dug into it. Wow. I don't like that. I hope your guys's isn't scratched up like that. So when you get over the palette being scratched and opened it up, of course, there is a mirror inside. So we'll take that off of there and a little thing to protect your shadows. And then there's all these pretty colors. I'm going to kind of tilt it to the side because this is a really bright, shiny white right here. And it's going to kind of reflect off of my lights there. But there's a lot of really pretty blues. And the reason I got this palette was because I felt like, you know, Jeffree Star's palette, when it released, I really wanted it because it was a big, nice blue palette, but it's really expensive. And I'm like, how many blues do you really need? You know what I'm saying? I really like Colourpop's formula. I really like their little 9-pan palettes. And I feel like this is just enough. And at $12 price point, you really can't beat it. So let's try these shadows out. I am so ready to play with this. So let's get on into it. So let me just go ahead and tell you guys right now, the sticky base obviously worked a lot better. So I just went ahead and wiped this eye off, finished that one up, and I'll show you what I did if you want to see how I got this look on this side. So the first thing I did was I grabbed my big old fluffy brush here and I got into this Moonlight, which is this really pretty light blue here on top. And I just put that right on my crease. Now I did have to get into this a couple of times to kind of deepen it up a little bit just to get a nice little base started. Then I grabbed a really big fluffy pack it on brush and I got into this shimmer shade right here, Mad About You. Oh, I love this shade, so pretty. And then I just packed that on to this outside corner here. Then I grabbed a little bit of a flatter brush here and I got into this silver color here, Billie Jean, and I put that right on my corner and again melted them together. Then I grabbed my big fluffy brush again after I wiped it off and I got into this Starry Eyed right here, and I barely got into that, and I just ran that across the top here. Then after I got all of my edges buffed out, I grabbed a really flat, straight brush, just like this one right here, and I got into this Lumi, which is that really white, sparkly, beautiful cloud looking, and I just took that right across my brow bone. Then I took this Colourpop liquid eyeliner in Crazy, which is kind of like a dark navy blue, and I just went across the top of my eyelid there and then flicked it up and did a little, you know, little wing. Nothing fancy. I very simply took this Rivierta by Starlooks pen, and it's got a little star stamp on the end of it, and I just did 3 little stars, one above, one to the side, and one underneath. And they're not exactly even, but you get the gist. I then, of course, ran some mascara in my top and bottom lashes. I thought about doing some blue underneath, but I decided not to. I really kind of like the way it is just now. I wish the camera really picked up the silver in the corners because, I mean, it is just so beautiful and it just looks so I mean, it literally looks like a sky on my eyes right now. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this, but let's talk about this giveaway. All right, let's talk about this giveaway. So if you want to be entered to win the Blue Moon Colourpop Cosmetics palette, I'm going to tell you what you got to do to enter. Number 1, as we already talked about, you need to watch this video all the way through, no skipping. All right. Number 2, you of course need to be subscribed and have your bell notification on because I would hate for you to miss out on our huge 6K giveaway, which that video will be going up here in a few days, beginning of the week. All right. Number 3, you need to like this video, of course. And then number 4, you need to comment down below what is your favorite Colourpop cosmetic product, and or what product, if you haven't tried a Colourpop cosmetics product, would you like to try. So name below, comment down below a Colourpop cosmetic, either A, one that you love, or B, one that you would really like to try. All right, so it's that simple, easy peasy. So of course you guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do have some little fun things going on there, and I also always let you guys know whenever I'm uploading or have uploaded a new video. This giveaway is going to go on from now, when this video is posted, until June 21st, midnight. So technically June 22nd, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So a.m. technically, I guess, midnight, right? June 21st, midnight, or the start of June 22nd, Eastern Standard Time. Okay. And then the winner will be announced that Sunday, June 23rd. We will have an announcement video. So good luck to everyone that enters. And honestly, I really love this palette, you guys. It was really amazing and fun to play with. And I am really surprised at this little eyeliner. Like, I did not have any problems doing a wing liner, and normally it's like a struggle. Like, I have to have a very specific brush to do it. So that was a lot of fun and very interesting. So I'm gonna keep that in mind, and I might pick up some more of those. So I will leave some videos right here for you guys, as I always do, if you would like to watch more content from me. And then I again want to thank everyone who has donated to my PayPal account, which I do have listed down below in the description box. Anytime any money is donated to my PayPal, it always goes right back to this channel and being able to do these giveaways and stuff like that. So I really appreciate you guys helping out with that. I love you so much, and I hope everyone has an amazing rest of your day. Bye.